guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can change your Discord server nickname. You can right click here and select edit server profile and change your nickname here. You can even choose a specific server, but I chose games for mine. Select save changes, and as you can see, your nickname will change. You can also change nickname change your server nickname on your server by pressing this button and then select nick, and then I think I need to write something first actually, and I need to type nick, and then I'm just going to write that, and as you can see it changes. So there are two ways, but I prefer going to the right click and edit server profile, but it's optional. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can change your server nickname. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!